Good evening, friends. Now, in this part of the playlist, I would be showcasing to you as to how one should, install and whether there is just one way in which we can do the installation to run the Python language, or in order to go ahead with the research. Now, first of all, I would be showcasing to you how to go ahead and work out know about the installation as well as the environment for Python to work. And secondly, we would go ahead and then I will be showcasing to you how to start off with the research. First of all, programming, since there are a lot of videos which would be coming in, I'll be posting some of them on a daily basis so that one knows really what is the coding part and how to run further into it. So simultaneously they would be different topics that I would be dealing with. So let's start off first of all to understand as to how what kind of an environment is required to run the code of Python programming language, and how should we go ahead with the installation, or there is no need for the installation. Now this is something that I really wanted to let you know. Now, as per the entire programming language goes about, there are different forms of the environment in which Python can be used for various purposes. Now, here one would be on one side online, and there are varieties of it, and we would be seeing and it's totally up to us. I would be showcasing to you each one of them, and you will have to choose which one is better, and in which you are comfortable to run the coding and to analyze for your own research purposes. And the other one definitely would be the direct one, in which you can download and you can place it on your desktop or on your computer. Now totally that's your choice. Now that now online, it happens that there is no need for you to download. You can just run, and I'll showcase to you how to take care about them also, and in what forms you can take care of them. Whereas in direct, once you execute, download the software, execute, run it, then it occupies some space in your computer. So if you are comfortable, now there are varieties of version for that also, which I have shown to you. One is the 125 versions, out of which we will see which one is the most important one, and accordingly, depending upon your computer, you will have to proceed further with the download forms also. That's number one. Number two, then definitely for Windows there's a different version. For Macintosh it's a different one. Similarly, there are other like Linux as well as Unix are also present, and we will showcase to you as to how to run. Now, apart from these things, it's not necessary that Python has to be it's going to be executed only on computers or the laptops, notebooks, and this thing. It is even downloadable even on the smartphones as well as the Android phones also. That's the and even Apple phones side by side. So you will be seeing that there are various ways in which, and you have got the advantage that yes, it works in C++, from Java also, Perl also, PHP, and we will be seeing the other forms also right side by side as to how many ways in which we can utilize this particular software, the online resource that is available to us, as well as the programming language. Then I wanted to let you know that under the direct, I mean through the downloading of the software, and installing them on the computer, and then working on them through various functions, and this one. Now for direct downloading, one can go to the Python homepage that is present at www.python.org. That's the home address, and you can just go there, and I'll be in my next video showcasing to you as to where to find out and which version to carry forward. Now in the subsequent videos, I'll be showcasing to you onto that also. Now coming to the online versions, I have told you, I've just noted only 5 of them. However, you'll be seeing that yes, there are a number of them, and we will have to see as to how and in what manner we can use them. So number one is the Python compiler. Now I'll be showcasing to you one of those browsers, where they are available. Online HTML compilers are present. Python in the browser, you can run within the browser itself. Then Python online compiler and interpreter. Now you see, sometimes it's only the compiler, sometimes it's only the interpreter also. Now choice is yours as to how you will would like to go ahead with this, and I'll be showcasing to you, and depending upon your choices you can please go ahead. Now apart from the different kind, apart from the ones that I have, there are different kinds of notebooks also, like Jupyter notebooks are there, Spark is there, then TensorFlow is there, then for neural networks it is a different notebook. So again, whenever we are trying to work accordingly, you can use them also side by side. So these are some of the online versions. Now when I'll be dealing with some of them, I'll be showcasing to you so that you can understand them also. So this is a short introduction about the Python environment and how to proceed further. So let's proceed further in the next videos and see how we can understand the different kind of environments for for running and using the Python programming language for various purposes. That's what I would say right now. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.